Well, today it's extremely windy. I wouldn't say extremely, but I mean it's pretty windy. About, I think, 16 miles an hour is what it said when I checked the weather. So I mean it's pretty windy, especially in Florida when you're getting these shallower lakes. The wind is like magnified because, you know, you got these big lakes that are shallow and it makes the waves just quite big and hard to handle. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna put my kayak in a river, creek, river. It runs off of a lake, so I'm gonna put it at the spillway at the edge of the lake and see if there's any fish in it. I'm sure there's fish in it. I see people fishing it from the bridges and what have you, but I've never tried to fish it. I've fished the part of the creek or channel or river, whatever you want to call it, up to the spillway, and I've caught fish in there, but below the spillway I've never fished it. So I've been wanting to give it a try, so I'm gonna put my kayak in there. We're bringing 2 poles. I'm really not bringing any lures or bait. Like, I got a swim jig and I got a bag of worms and my scale. So I'm not coming super prepared. I'm not even sure what I'm getting myself into, what I think is gonna work in there. I'm just bringing a couple things, really just trying to get out and do something. It looks like it's starting to sprinkle, which isn't cool, but it's all right. So, all right, let's see if we can't catch some fish in the kayak today in the creek. We made it to the river. As you can see, there's the bridge and the spillway is behind me. It was quite the task to get my kayak down. It's pretty steep and rocky, but we made it. So yeah, here it is. Here's the river. It's not super big. It's covered with leaves and all kinds of nasty stuff. So we'll see if we can't catch one. I'm not even sure, you know, if there's even fish in here. And if there are fish, what kind of fish are they? I gotta think there's fish in here. I know for sure that there's catfish, because I've seen a dude fishing in here. And he had a bucket full of catfish. So not quite what I want to catch, but really not knowing what is in here or what I'm after, catfish would be cool, I guess. So hey, see if we can't make it happen. Come on. Oh, had my first bite, stole my worm. It's a good sign. It felt like a decent fish. Kind of line's a little nicked up, so gonna retie and get back after it. There's one. Where? Come here. There we go. First bass on a new kayak. Ain't a giant, but he's definitely fat. So here we go. See if we can't catch another. Lost 2. Caught 1, so my odds aren't very great, but at least we're getting it started. There he is. Oh, no! Lost him right at the boat. Nice little bass though. Holy smokes. A big old branch. Just fell over out of this tree over here. That's crazy. Out of that big old tree right there. kind of all over them standing up in the kayak, trying to catch fish, standing to see how it is. But pretty sketchy so far, standing up, trying to re-get my balance back. Not standing in a kayak since last summer, and this is a new kayak, so getting used to the different balance has been a little tricky, but it's not too bad. So one of these days I need to come out without my, you know, all the GoPros and all my stuff, and try and do it a little bit more and get used to it. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Not that good, but that's another one. Nice, they're solid fish in here. Let's see if we can catch one that's a little bit longer. But I mean, solid fish. They're thick and healthy, so put up a good fight. And yeah, love catching fish out of a kayak. So let's see if we can't get another one before we get back. Ah, come on. Hey, got another one. That was quick too. He's a little bit skinnier than the last two, but still solid fish. Nice, starting to figure them out. Starting to actually land them too. I missed a bunch so far, but this third one in the boat. Boom, baby. Well, I just got off the river. It wasn't too bad. I mean, I caught 3. I lost probably 3 or 4 at least. It was nice though to get out and really test out the new kayak. I haven't spent a lot of time on it since I've gotten it. It's only my second time out on it. It was, you know, it's pretty nice. I like it. I like how open it is. It's one of them Ascend 10Ts. Yeah, I like the open concept of it. You know, you don't got stuff in your way, and you know, it's almost like a paddle board, but a little bit different. It has a seat on it and what have you, and walls, and you know, it's like a kayak too, I guess. But yeah, so yeah, if you like these kayaking videos, let me know in a comment down below. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, peace out, guys.